Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find blocked account on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Thread application. And here I'm going to select a random profile. Click on three dots. So I'm going to block that person. Click on block. Okay. So now I'm going to find that person. So you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and here you need to click on the globe on the top left. Then you simply need to click on blocked, and it will redirect me to the Instagram because Instagram and chat both are linked. So here you can see a person, and if I want to unblock, I simply need to click unblock. So this is the process by which you can find blocked account on Thread. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.